Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Peaceful Post Africa. So we are here again with another wonderful course which we believe that will help to push your career forward. So the course we're looking today is called machine learning. So now what is machine learning? Basically, according to Wikipedia, machine learning is a field of study in artificial intelligence concerned with the development and study of statistical algorithms that can learn from data, generalize to unseen data, and thus perform tasks without what explicit instructions. Recently, artificial neural networks can have been able to surpass many previous approaches from all of this means you who is planning to learn machine learning, so you can use this word now to build or develop what statistical algorithms that can use to what that data can use even both unseen data. Because right now the world is full of what data. So with this all this AI building and all of a thing, it can be what a very big can be a very good what very big deal for you, for someone who wants to what go into this course. So I'm here on Udemy, a platform that what people use to learn all kinds of what tech courses ranging from design, development, marketing, any kind of software. There are categories you can do that. So on this search bar here, let me search for machine learning, and let's see what will pop up. So it's loading. Let's see what we'll get. Okay, we have 10,000 results from what machine learning, and we'll have so many of them here. So now the course I'm preferring that I'm recommending for you guys is this one by Cree Remico. So you can see different prices. So let's read them. This is the one I'm recommending for you guys. Has machine learning A to Z, AI, Python, and R plus ChatGPT price 2024. So it has what 1 million students who have taken this course, 182 reviews, and it's a Bex seller too. So this course is created by 3 people. Can go headed the super data science team and agency team. So I'm making this video from my country here in Nigeria. So this course what 41,900. So let's check 41,900 in dollars. Let's convert to dollars. Let's see what we're gonna get to USD. So this is $6.28 in 41,900 Nigerian naira, of course, what 26.28 United States dollar. So let's go back to this course. So now here on this course, this course includes, let's see, mind you, if you want to buy this course, it's very simple. Just have to buy now. First of all, you need to sign up an account with them. Then you log in, then you can buy this course. Very simple. With your ATM, wherever you're watching this video from. Whether from Asia, whether from America, whether from first world country, second world country, third world country, wherever you are, it's easy to buy with your card. So it's very, very simple. So this course include 42.5 hours on demand video. This video is very, very long, like 42 hours. It's more than a day's course. So, and one thing what I love so much about this particular website is they allow you to learn at your own pace, at your own time. So you don't have to stress or bother yourself about the timing. If you have a full-time job, so you can do this at night or maybe during the weekends, or maybe when you come back from home, when you come back from work, you can actually take 1 or 2 hours of your time and watch this. So they have 5 coding exercises. Of course, you will code, so the exercises for you. They have 40 articles. They have 9 downloadable resources. You can access this on your mobile and on TV. They have full-time live access, which means one-time payment. Once you make the payment, you can access this at any time. So there's also what certificate of what completion after you are done learning this. So they'll give you a certificate to certify that you have gone through this program. Maybe if you want to get hired by a potential employer, so you were able to show the certificate as you have gone through this training and all of that. So now let's look at what will you learn in this course. Let's see. You will master machine learning on Python and R. That's very, very wonderful. Python is a very it's a very good programming language. It's easy to learn, easy to grasp, unlike JavaScript and others. So it makes to make accurate predictions. Like I said, we are working with data here. Make robust machine learning models. Use machine learning for personal purposes. Handle advanced techniques like dimensionality, reduction. Build an army of power machine learning models and how to combine them to solve any problem. Have a great intuition of many machine learning models, make powerful analysis, create strong added value to your business, handle specific topics like reinforcement, learning, NPL, and deep learning. Know which machine learning model to choose for each type of problem you are solving. So these are companies which have recommended this particular course to their employee. You have NASDAQ, Boss, NetApp, and all of that. So this is the coding exercise. Let's look at the demo of the coding exercise and see what we can get from there. Let me make it full screen so we can see some of the coding exercise. Just watch. Let's see. This is actually a very good course that you can use to run your tests, the programs, and everything. So I believe it's a very good course that anybody can use to empower him or herself when doing this thing. Alright, so let's go back to the course. Let's go back. Let me skip this. So let's look at the course content. So welcome to the course. Here we'll help you get started in conditions. So here they talked about it, machine learning and everything. So they have first one, data pre-processing and everything. So they try to the video is very long, like 96 sections. It's very long and everything. So these are the course content on this particular course. So these are the videos, the way it's being categorized that you take your time to go through once you buy the course, so you will learn more from this. Like I said, this particular course was made by 3 people, which I showed you guys earlier. Let's go back to those people. See, Craig, Michael, Fedilin, the Proteus Super Data Science team, and the GNC team. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 people. So the course is very, very good. 4 people came together to share the knowledge on this particular thing. So now let's say requirement, just some high level mathematics level, just some high school mathematics level. They're dealing with data calculations and all of that. So they just require your basic high school mathematics level. So let's look at the description and see what happens. Say, interested in learning field of machine learning, then this course is for you. This course has been designed by data scientists and machine learning experts so that we can share our knowledge and help you learn complex theory, algorithms, coding libraries in a simple way. Over 1 million students worldwide trust this course. Look at it here. It's showing up here. Over 1 million students is bestseller. So I believe if 1 million students trust this course, they've taken this course, so trust me. What are you expecting? This is good for you. So this course can be completed by either doing the Python tutorials or R tutorials or both. Python and R. Pick the programming language which you need for your career. You see? So these are the different parts of it from part 1 to 10. What you will go through and everything. So who is this course for? Anyone interested in machine learning? Students who have at least high school knowledge in math and who want to start learning what machine learning. Any intermediate level people who knows the basic of machine learning, including what classical what algorithms can do this. So anyone who do not who who are not what that comfortable with coding, but who are interested in machine learning and want to apply it easily on data set. Any student in college who start a career in data science, any data analysis who want to level up in machine learning. So this is a very critical. These are what some of the courses what by these people too. So they have the instructors that we talked about earlier, Cream, Heady, the operators, data science team, and Language what GNC team. So this is a very great course. I want you guys to check out. Take your time to go to this course. If you have intention of what learning this machine learning for AI, Python, and everything. So it's a very good course for you guys to review. All right. So this video is already 10 minutes long, and I want to stop this video here. So I'm begging you guys, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, support the movement. And if you have any questions, maybe have anything you want to ask, please drop your questions or any of your thoughts on the comment sections, and we will try as much as possible to respond to every comment we get. All right, thank you guys once again. Like I said earlier, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that people who are looking for courses like this, we're trying to look at courses like this, we have we see this video and make up decisions and get to the course. Thank you so much, guys. We will leave the link of this video in the description channel, on the description, so that you can still go through them later. Thank you once again. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you. Peace.